Lakes. Lakes have been called wide places and rivers. In even simpler terms, a lake is a body of water surrounded by land. No minimum or maximum size is attached to this definition, although the word pond is often used to designate a very small lake. Well over 90% of the surface water of the continents is contained in lakes. With few exceptions, the origin of lakes is not related to stream activity. Most lakes are fed and drained by streams, but lake genesis is usually due to other factors. Two conditions are necessary for the formation and continued existence of a lake. One, some sort of natural basin having a restricted outlet, and two, sufficient inflow of water to keep the basin at least partly filled. Most of the world's lakes contain fresh water, but some of the largest lakes are saline. Indeed, more than 40% of the lake water of the planet is salty, with the lake we call the Caspian Sea containing more than 3/4 of the total volume of all the world's non-oceanic saline water. Any lake that has no natural drainage outlet, either as a surface stream or as a sustained subsurface flow, will become saline. Most small salt lakes and some large ones are ephemeral, which means that they contain water only sporadically and are dry much of the time because they are in dry regions with insufficient inflow to maintain them on a permanent basis. The water balance of most lakes is maintained by surface inflow, sometimes combined with springs and seeps below the lake surface. A few lakes are fed entirely by springs. Most freshwater lakes have only one stream that serves as a drainage outlet. Lakes are distributed very unevenly over the land. They are most common in regions that were visited by a glacier in the past because glacial erosion and deposition deranged the normal drainage patterns and created innumerable basins. One has only to compare the northern and southern parts of the United States to recognize this fact. Most of Europe and the northern part of Asia demonstrate a similar correlation between past glaciation and present-day lakes. Some parts of the world notable for lakes were not glaciated, however. For example, remarkable series of large lakes in eastern and central Africa was created by Earth's crust splitting apart and by volcanic action, and the many thousands of small lakes in Florida were formed by sinkhole collapse when rainwater dissolved calcium from the limestone bedrock. Lake Baikal in Siberia is by far the world's largest freshwater lake in terms of volume of water, containing considerably more water than the combined contents of all 5 Great Lakes in the central United States. It is also the world's deepest lake. And those are lakes. Have a great day.